Local news for Tuesday the 19th of December. A body has been found on the shoreline by a member of the public at Flat Point Beach at around 7:15 last night. Searches have been conducted both on and offshore since the diver went missing around Sunday afternoon. While formal identification is yet to be completed, it is understood to be that of the missing diver. Our condolences are with his family. This week will be the busiest week for many of the Paymark merchants. For most, it'll be the busiest 7 days of the year and will end either Friday or Saturday. Last year, spending in the 7-day period ending Christmas Eve was 53% above that of an average 7-day spend. Spending for many merchants will be more than twice the weekly average, with Wairarapa holding an annual percentage change in spending last week of 9.7%. And in sport, a good end to the softball pre-Christmas with the Giants. Wins for the P2, P3 and also President's grades, and the women drawing 6-all and the under-15s pulling out a draw also 5-all with Dodgers.